So good morning students. Today we are going to see about the topic Early effect. The Early effect, which is otherwise called as the base width modulation. Okay. The other name for Early effect is base width modulation. We have to modulate or we need to modulate the base width. So this process is called as Early effect or base width modulation. So this we need to adjust or we need to modulate the base width. Okay, this is the main concept of Early effect or the base width modulation. So here the width of the base region is occupied by charged particle, that is called electrical width or the physical width of the base region. Okay, here it is mentioned with the change in base width. So without the depletion region here at the collector base junction in the base region. So WFE efficiency of the width, okay, it is called as effective width or electrical base width. Okay, this is called effective width. Okay, it is referred as effective width. So what is the Early effect or the base width modulation means? So base region is slightly doped than the collector region. So the penetration that occurs in the transistor region is the base is larger than the collector. So the base depletion region here is large. It is denoted as W, okay, width of the base region. So the total width means it's the addition of the base width and effective width or the electrical base width. Okay, the total base width that becomes the electrical base width addition with the base width. So we can refer as the effective width that recombination takes place means the reverse bias voltage increases. The width of the depletion region in the base region also increases. So it reduces the electrical base width. Okay. So due to the reduction of the base electric width, so there are no more charged particles in that area. So the reduction of the effective width, the concentration of the charge that increases in the base region though. So the increase in the concentration of charge carrier that causes the more diffusion of electron then from the n-type emitter to the p-type base. It increases the emitter current also. So the increase in reverse voltage width of the depletion region also increases, which reduces the electrical base width. So this effect is called as the Early effect or base width modulation. Okay. We need to refer it as the formula V is equal to E N A W square by 2 epsilon. Okay, V is the reverse bias, W is the width of the space region or the depletion region. So the less chance for the recombination with the base. Okay, so it increasing the base width. So here the charge also increase with the base. The current of the minority carriers that injected across the junction that also increases. So for an extremely large voltage, the FXC base width it reduced to 0, that causes the voltage breakdown in the transistor. So this is the main concept. This is called as punch through. It is one of the important 2 mark. What is punch through? For an extremely large voltage, the FXC base width reduced to 0, that causes the breakdown in the transistor. So this is called punch through. So for higher values, due to Early effect, it value of the increases. So for example, it changes from 0 to 0.982. 0.985 means there is a small positive slope that occurs in the output characteristics. So the output resistance is not 0 here. So this effect is called as Early effect or otherwise called as the base width modulation.